Today, we are diving deep into pros, cons, costs, and most importantly, which one actually lasts longer. By the end of this video, you will know which material suit your kitchen and lifestyle. So let's get started. Melamine or plywood? Who wins?
First up, let's talk about melamine. Melamine is basically a particle board or MDF core with a thin layer of resin-infused paper pressed into it. This gives you that smooth, finished look that can mimic wood grains, solid colors, or even textures. Pros of melamine. First, budget-friendly. If you are tight on budget, melamine is one of the cheapest options out there. Second, variety of designs. It comes in hundreds of finishes, matte, glossy, wood textures, you name it. Third, easy to clean. Wipe it down with a damp cloth and you are good. Cons of melamine. First, durability. Melamine is not great with moisture. If water seeps into the edges, swelling can happen. Second, strength. Since it is basically pressed wood particles, it is not as strong as solid wood or plywood. Third, lifespan. If you cook a lot in a humid kitchen, melamine tends to wear out faster. Now, let's move on to plywood cabinets. Plywood is made by layering thin sheets of wood veneer glued together with grains running in opposite directions. This makes it incredibly strong and stable. Pros of plywood. First, durability. Plywood is tougher than melamine. It resists cracking, shrinking, and warping. Second, moisture resistant. Especially if you go for marine grade plywood, it handles moisture way better than particle boards. Third, long lifespan. A well-maintained plywood cabinet can easily last 15 until 25 years. Cons of plywood. First, price. It is more expensive, sometimes double or triple the price of melamine. Second, finish options. Plywood does not come in as many pre-finished designs. Usually, you will need a laminate, veneer, or paint finish. Third, quality variation. Not all plywood is the same. Cheap plywood can still delaminate or get weak spots. So, if strength and longevity are your top priority, plywood is usually the safer bet. Let's put them side by side. First, durability. Melamine lasts about 5 until 10 years on average. For plywood, 15 to 25 years depending on maintenance. Second, moisture resistance. Melamine edges are vulnerable. For plywood, handles humidity much better. Third, maintenance. Melamine easier to wipe clean. Plywood needs protective finish, but once sealed, it is solid. Fourth, cost. Melamine, budget-friendly, perfect for rental homes or temporary setups. Plywood, higher upfront cost, but long-term value is better. Fifth, aesthetic options. Melamine, wide variety, trendy looks. Plywood, classic, can be customized with veneers or laminates. So, which should you actually choose? It depends on your lifestyle. If you are living in a rental or don't plan to stay long term, melamine is cost effective and looks great for a few years. But if you are building your forever home and want a kitchen that can handle daily cooking, spills, and humidity, plywood is the clear winner. Some homeowners even mix both, melamine for upper cabinets where moisture is not a big issue and plywood for a lower cabinets near the sink and stove. So, here is the final verdict. Melamine is the budget-friendly style option, but plywood wins when it comes to strength and longevity. If you want cabinets that last decades, plywood is the best investment worth making.
So, what do you think? Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tips about kitchen renovation. See you next time!